Question 3. Dave recorded the flavours of crisps bought from a leisure centre vending machine one day. The flavours were beef, ready salted, cheese and onion, and salt and vinegar. So they're represented by the letters B, R, C and S. The data she collected is shown below. So here are all of the letters for the favourite crisps. So this person said they preferred beef, this person said beef, this person said salt and vinegar, and so on. Complete the following table using the above data. So we've got a tally and a frequency column here. So the tally, we have 4 tallies and then a gate to make 5, and so on. So I'm going to look at the rest of these. So I'm going to take one letter at a time and then put it into the tally column. So the beef column has already been done. So they were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beefs, and that's correct. So now I'm going to look at S, cross it off, write it in. C, cross it off, write it in. C, cross it off, write it in. Cross it off, write it in. R, cross it off, write it in. C, S, R, C. Now I've got a gate because it's the 5th one. C, 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 R, C, S, S, C. So our final tally should look like this. Now I need to complete the frequency column. So I've got a tally of 6 here, 3, 10, and 4. So the examiner will give you 1 mark if you have, or 2 marks, sorry, if you have all of your frequencies correct. If you've made a little mistake, if you've counted incorrectly, then they'll actually give you 1 mark if you have 2 or 3 correct frequencies, or if you've made a mistake on all of your frequencies and you haven't got any of those correct, then the examiner will give you 1 mark if you have all of your tallies correct. So now we are asked to draw a suitable graph to show this data on the grid below. So a suitable graph and a bar chart would do fine here. So we have to have our frequency going up, and the highest frequency we've got is 10, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are more than 10 boxes here. So I could start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've gone up 1 per box, always start at 0, and I need to label this scale here. That's going to be my frequency. So that's how far my bars are going to go up. And then on the bottom, I'm going to have the crisp flavours. So all my bars need to be even. So there are 1, 2, 3, there are 4 flavours. So I'm going to take 2 squares per flavour. And I'm going to write in between the bar what it is. So this is going to be beef. This bar is going to be ready salted. This bar is going to be chicken. And this bar is going to be salt and vinegar. I now need to make sure I put my bars in correctly. So beef goes up to 6. Okay, I'm going to do this in pen just so that you can see it. Although you should do all of your graphs in pencil, just in case you make a little mistake. Ready salted is at 3. Chicken is at 10. And salt and vinegar is at 4. So the examiner will give you 1 mark if you have your axes labelled correctly, 1 mark for your scale, and 1 mark for all 4 bars correct. 3 marks in total.